So today we're gonna be changing our tires. I bought these tires right here. They're the Rangers ATR, and they're the Thunder. The thread, where's the size? Should be on this side. There they are. 35 by 12 and a half by 20. 121. But yeah, that's the thread. Because what do you guys think? Do you guys think I need new tires? I mean, just look at that. And that's pretty much all the way with all the 4 tires. We're looking at the rear one on the right hand side. I got this thread measurer, so let's just check. Do yellow, yellow. Let's go a little bit more inside. Red, a little bit even further inside the tire. Yellow. So this is a thread gauge that I bought from AutoZone, and pretty much if it's red, you gotta change it. Green, you know, you obviously still have some thread. That's red. Right there. That's red. So yeah, we definitely need to change the tires. I mean, just look at the size difference on the threads. Look at that. Green. Here in our luxurious auto shop, we're gonna go get the tires changed. So 7:57, let's go get it. We are driving, right? And as soon as I got in the truck and started driving with the tires and all that stuff, my hair's a little messy, geez. I noticed that the truck is just sturdy. Like, oh my god, like it feels like I'm super high level sitting like this, just super high. And maybe it's just the new tires or something, but it feels definitely amazing. Like the ride feels smoother, taller even, and you can just feel that these tires have more girth compared to the old ones I used to have early in the morning. Like, it's actually pretty insane. Like, realistically, it's really insane. Like, man, like, it feels weird. It feels like the truck's leveled now, at level. All right, guys, you can see the big difference. Got the new tires on, and these are the old ones. I mean, look at the size of the threads right there. Look at that, I can put my finger in there. And here, I can't even put my finger in there. How was I driving like this? It's been about a year since I bought the truck now. Almost close to a year, maybe like 11 months and 3 weeks, I want to say, around there. I bought this in July 28, the truck. And I've had to buy tires July 10. So, yeah. I'm gonna use these old tires for working out, or just, I don't know. That's pretty much it. I mean, I really probably shouldn't use these anymore at all. Oh my god, look at that. No thread left. I'm gonna see how good these are. It hasn't rained. Well, it did rain last night, but I didn't drive the truck, so I don't know how they handled in the rain. But I can tell you that driving it right now, just back and forth regularly, has been a lot better.